So this is a video on X, which is formerly Twitter, how to gain traffic using it. So you sign up to X, like it's x.com, and you would have a photo and a cover photo, and then whatever your name is, it'll come up, and then you can go to edit profile. Um, it's got a subscription model which I'm a part of. You can have your bio, your link. I'm not sure if I can bring that up. Premium, or even see it where that is actually. Um, a member of a premium, yeah, manage. So it's like, I don't know if it's going to give any information on it. Um, but there's Pro and then there's Ultimate Pro, and it's just like you can post a lot more with the free version. There's only so much you can post in terms of content, the length of it, so that's can't really see me find that. But anyway, go to home. Yep, so you can write a short bio. So what I would tend to do is go to Chat GPT. And so it's quite good for structure, and you could just write something like this. Um, write a great X bio, and then just talk about what your business is. Talk about affiliate marketing and a great call to action, which is your link, why they should click on it. Write that there, and it'll give you something you can amend it. It's even saying about your link. So you'd go to back to X, and then you'd edit profile, and then you would just I would delete that and copy that and put it in there, and then your link there, it's there as well. And someone else in they go to my page funnel. So the first thing you do to get traffic on X is start following people in your niche. Cause I've been doing it for quite a while, it's related in my niche. But if say it was affiliate marketing, comes up here, and you go to people. Maybe I want to follow about two or three each time you go on X. So I'm following a few. Just go follow. I'm going to do it right now. Follow again, and that's what you would do. I wouldn't concentrate on posting when you start off. It's really about building a following. So how you would do that is go to Explore and type in, just say affiliate marketing, and you'd find posts to comment on. So you go to latest, and you would just love that, and then you'd read this here, and then you can leave a comment to this post so he will see it, and also his followers will see it as well. So just click on him. He's got quite a number of followers, so you can follow him, and then go on to the next one. Something that resonates with you, do that, and then comment, and then love it, and then comment again, and you can build your following up that way. Here's to that earlier, so premium had come up, the pros and cons of it. And then you could also go to communities and then join a few, and then the same sort of idea, love and comment on different sort of communities, and then you would build up a following as well. And then once you have, then you can do sort of different sort of posts as well. If we can get to the page, So I wouldn't promote all the time, but there's one how I got Reddit, how I use Reddit traffic, and also Lead Sleep as well. But I also do post such sort of motivational ones as well. I've done a few of them. And then I like to go on Facebook and type reels in, and then ones that have drawn a lot of attraction, then sort of post that, and then some emails that I wrote, I'd post that. So you can do different types of post, and then when you get sort of likes or reply, I would always love the comment and then follow them back, and then just write them a message, thanks for following me, and comment if they reply to me. So that's the way of growing your following on X. It's quite a powerful platform, but if you want to really join our funnel, and it's a business like no other, it's not just after your money, it's a real boot camp, it's a real community that's free. You really must check it out, and we'd love to have you there. Bye bye for now.